Good day, my name is Risa Sarte. I am 49 years old. Currently here in the Philippines. I have 3 kids. They are 27, 25, and 18. My work experience is domestic helper in Hong Kong for 12 years. First employer is 2 years. I take care 2 kids. 1-year-old and 3 years old, 2 boys. I bring them to school, pick them up, play with them. I also clean the house, cooking, marketing, taking care of the pets. They have cats. And I also finish contract in Polam. My second employer is in Tin Hau, 10 years. The kids are 6 years old and 7 years old. I bring them to school, pick them up also. I do cooking, cleaning, marketing, car washing, and also play with the kids in the park. They are all in Tin Hau. They are poor in their family. That's it. Hoping for to work with you, ma'am, sir. Thank you. Bye.